Good morning, students. In this video, I will complete the workbook exercises of lesson number 9 and 11. So, everyone open page number 41. Your A question is, make two sentences with each homonym to bring out its different meanings. Homonyms are words which have more than two meanings. Like words with same sound and spelling but have different meanings. Now, hamper means a picnic basket, or hamper also means to obstruct or get in the way. Now, we have to make sentences with both the meanings. First one, there are some fruits in the picnic hamper. The construction was hampered by bad weather. Fine. Class, I repeat every time. Whenever we make sentences in exam, you can give yours, but it should be grammatically correct. Master. Master means a person in control. Master also means to acquire knowledge or skill. Now, a dog obeys its master. To acquire knowledge or skill, she is a master of her craft. Third one, mean, unkind behavior. Mean means unkind behavior, also means to signify or indicate something. He is very mean with his money, means unkind behavior. He is very mean with his money. Then health means everything in life. Dust, small dry particles of dirt. Then dust also means to remove dirt by wiping. The passing car kicked up clouds of dust. The servant dusted the furniture. Current. In the present, current also means the flow of electricity of water. Education is the current focus of public debate. The water current carried away the log. Spring means to jump suddenly. Spring means a season also. A dog springed at me. Many flowers bloom in the spring. Your B question is, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box to learn interesting facts about animals. A chameleon can move its eyes in two directions at the same time. A chimpanzee can learn to recognize itself in a mirror. A rat can survive longer without water than a camel. Turn to page number 42. Fourth one, a woodpecker can peck up to 20 times in a second. The eyes of an ostrich are larger than its brain. The average lifespan of a wild Asian elephant is 70 years. Macaroni, Gento, Ginstrap and Emperor are types of penguin. Mockingbirds are able to imitate almost any sound they hear. Your C question is, each line in the paragraph below has a word that is spelled incorrectly. Underline the word and write its correct spelling on the blank. Now, incorrect. Across, ACROSS. Feathers, FEATHERS. Produces, the robin produces. Produces, PRODUCES. Then, usually, USUALLY. Before, BEFORE, lays, LAYS, season, SEASON. Students, come to page number 49, your workbook 11. Read an excerpt from R.L. Stevenson's Treasure Island. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. All of us had a generous share of the treasure and used it wisely or foolishly, according to our natures. Gray not only saved his money but also studied his profession and is now part owner of a fine, full-rigged ship. Besides, he is married and father of a family. As for Ben Gunn, he got £1,000, which he spent or lost in 3 weeks and was back to begging. Then he was given a lodge to keep on the island. He is a great favorite with the country boys and a popular singer in church on Sundays and saints' days. Of silver we have heard no more. That cursed seafaring man with one leg has at last gone clean out of my life. Perhaps he is married too and lives in comfort somewhere with his wife and with Captain Flint. I would never return to the tough island. The worst dreams that ever I have are when I hear giant waves booming about the coast of the island and I wake up frightened in bed with the sharp voices of buccaneers still ringing in my ears. Your B question is, unscramble the letters of the words in the second column to get synonyms of the words in the first column. Write the new words on the blanks. Firstly, unscramble these words. Which are the synonyms of these words? Right? Synonyms are the same meaning words. Now this word is permit. Allow, permit. This is inquire, E-N-Q-U-I-R-E. This is conclude, C-O-N-C-L-U-D-E. This is retain, R-E-T-A-I-N. Then penalize, P-E-N-A-L-I-Z-E. These words mean the same as these words. Turn to page number 50. Your C question is find 5 words with EI and 5 with IA in this word search. Now here are the words. EI, here, weird, receipt, seize and wheel. Then IA, thief, brief, chief, relief, field. With this, I complete your workbook exercises according to your first term exam. Complete your work neatly and correctly and pay attention to the spellings of the words. That's all in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.